Dear students, the previous session we discussed concepts in circles. Today we are going to continue. Intercepts made on coordinate axis the intercepts made by the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 on x axis equal to twice root of g square minus c. Y axis twice root of f square minus c. Find length of the intercept on y axis by a circle whose diameter is the line joining points minus 4,3 and 12, minus 1. So first of all, you have to find the circle, then you have to find the intercept on y axis. The endpoints of the diameter are given. The equation of circle is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. X plus 4 into x minus 12 plus y minus 3 into y plus 1 equal to 0. x1 y1 x2 y2. X squared minus 8x minus 48 plus y squared minus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. X squared plus y squared minus 8x minus 2y minus 51 equal to 0. intercept on y axis twice root of f square minus c. Here 2f equal to minus 12. 2f equal to minus 2. F equal to minus 1. C equal to minus 51. Twice f squared minus 1 whole squared minus of minus 51. Twice 1 plus 51. Twice root 52. 2 into 4 into 13. 4 root 13. Equation of tangent at x1 comma y1 to a circle x square plus y squared equal to a squared is x x1 plus y y1 equal to a squared. Equation of tangent at x1 y1 to the circle x square plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 is x x1 y y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. To find the tangent at x1 comma y1 to a circle replace x squared by x x1 y squared by y y1 2x by x plus x1 and 2y by y plus y1. Y equal to mx plus or minus root of a into root of 1 plus m squared is the tangent to the circle x square plus y squared equal to a squared and its point of contact is minus or plus a by root of 1 plus m squared plus or minus a by root of 1 plus m squared. If you have minus sign, here you will have plus sign. If you have plus sign, here you will have minus sign. Equation of normal to a circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal 0 at x1 comma y1 is. So normal is perpendicular to the tangent. Y minus y1 equal to y1 plus f by x1 plus z into x minus x1. Y minus y1 equal to y1 plus f by x1 plus z into x minus x1. Next, equation of normal to a circle x square plus y square equal to a square at any point x1 comma y1 is xyn minus yxn equal to 0. Length of tangent. For any point x1, y1 outside the circle, two tangents can be drawn. Consider circle S, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0. S1 means just to replace xy by x1 y1. x1 square plus yn square plus 2g x1 plus 2f y1 plus c. So PQ equal to that is root S1, that is root of x1 square plus yn square plus 2gxn plus 2f yn plus c. From a given point P, two tangents can be drawn, that is PQ and PR. Next concept, pair of tangents. From a given point P of x1 comma y1 two tangents can be drawn to the circle x square plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fi plus c equal to 0. The combined equation is S1 equal to T squared. Where S equal 0 is the equation of circle and t equal 0 is the equation of tangent at x1 comma y1 to the circle and S1 is obtained by replacing x by x1 and y by y1. Yes, so this pair of tangent concept is very important. So S1 equal to T squared. S represents the equation of circle, T represents the equation of tangent from x1 comma y1. Equals tangent at x1 comma y1, then S1 is obtained by replacing x by x1 and y by y1 in the circle S. A pair of tangents are drawn from the origin to the circle x square plus y square plus 20 into x plus y plus 20 equals 0. Find the equation of pair of tangents. X square plus y square plus 20 into x plus y plus 20 equals 0. X square plus y square plus 20x plus 20y plus 10 equals 0. Pair of tangents. Yes, S1 equal to t squared. S equal to x square plus y squared plus 20x plus 20y plus 20. S1 0 plus 0 0 0 plus 20, that is 20. T x x1 plus y y1 plus 10 into 20x, 10 into 2x, in place of 2x you can write x plus x1 plus 10 into y plus y1 plus 20. So 0 y into 0 plus 10 into x plus 0, 10 into y plus 0 plus 20 that is 10x plus 10y plus 20. That is 10 into x plus y plus 2. So S1 equal to t squared, which implies x squared plus y squared plus 20x plus 20y plus 20 into S1. S1 equal to just 20 equal to t squared, that is t, 10 into x plus y plus 2 the whole square. So x squared plus y squared plus 20x plus 20y plus 20 into 20 equal to 100 into x squared plus y squared plus 4, 10 square 100, a plus b plus whole squared, a square plus b square plus c squared plus 2ab, 2xy plus 4y plus 4x a square plus b square plus c square 2ab 2x 2bc 4y 2ca 4x, that is 5, which implies first multiply 5 inside, 5x square plus 5y square plus 20 plus 10xy plus 20y plus 20x minus x squared minus y squared minus 20x minus 20y minus 20 equals 0. That is 4x squared 4y squared minus 10xy, bring this side, here you have 20x, here 20x, bring that side, that is 10xy plus 20x minus 20x plus 20y minus 20y plus 20 minus 20. So for 4x square plus 4y square plus 10xy equal to 0. 2x squared plus 2y squared plus 5xy equal 0. Next concept, director circle. The locus of point of intersection of two perpendicular tangents to a circle is called the diameter circle of the diameter circle of the given circle. The locus of the point of intersection of two perpendicular tangents to a circle is called the diameter circle of the given circle. Diameter circle of the circle x square plus y square equal to a square is x square plus y square equal to 2a square. diameter circle of the circle x square plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fa plus c equal to 0 is x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus 2c minus g squared minus f squared equal 0. Note, the diameter circle is concentric circle whose radius is root 2 times the radius of the given circle. So, given circle, the tangents are drawn, the perpendicular tangents, we have to collect all the perpendicular tangents and join those points. The point of reference of perpendicular tangents, we can have a circle. This is called diameter circle. So, if this is x squared plus y squared equal to a squared, this will be x square plus y squared equal to 2a square, that is root 2 time of the original radius of the original circle. Next concept, code of conduct. The chord joining the two points of conduct of tangents to a circle drawn from any point A is called code of conduct of A. With respect to the given circle, the chord joining the 2 points of contact of tangents to a circle drawn from any point A is called chord of conduct of A with respect to the given circle. From here, two tangents are drawn. It touches the circle B and C. Join these two point of contacts. We can have a chord BC. This is known as chord of contact of tangents from x1, y1. The equation of chord of conduct tangents drawn from x1, y1 to the circle x square plus y squared equal to a squared is x1 plus y1 equal to a squared. Next concept, the equation of chord of contact of tangents drawn from x1, y1 to the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fi plus c equal to 0 is x1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equals 0. The length of chord of contact twice r minus p squared. Sorry, twice r squared minus p squared. where r is the radius of the circle, and P is the perpendicular drawn from the center to the code of conduct. So, we have triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC is given by A into x1 square plus y1 square minus a square whole power 3/2 by x1 square plus y1 squared. Next concept, pole and polar. Any straight line PQR through the given point P of x1 comma y1 intersect the circle is equal to 0 at two points Q and R. And if tangents at Q and R meets at T, then locus of the point T is called is called the polar of the point P and the point P is called pole. Pole of the polar with respect to the given circle. The point P can be anywhere in the plane of the circle. Suppose I take a point P here, line is drawn Q on R, it intersects that is T. Through P, a line is drawn, it meets circle at the points Q and R. At Q and R, two tangents are drawn which meets at T. The locus of T is called polar of the point P, where P is called pole of the polar. P can be anywhere on the circle. P can lie outside the circle or like this. P of x1 comma y1. P can lie inside a circle. So Q or they can intersect at a point. The locus of T is called polar of the point P. So P can be anywhere in the plane of the circle. Equation of polar. Equation of the polar of the pole x1 comma y1 with respect to the circle x square plus y square equal to a square is x1 plus y1 equal to a square. Next, E case of the polar of the pole x1 comma n with respect to the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fi plus c equal to 0 is xx1 plus yy1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. Coordinates of pole. Pole of point, polar, ax plus by plus c with respect to circle x square plus y square equal to a square is minus a square by c comma minus b a square by c. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2f plus c equal to 0 is x1 plus g by a equal to yn plus f by b. gx1 plus f y1 plus c by c. Note, the point P lies outside the circle then equation of polar and code of conduct will coincide. in this case polar cuts the circle at 2 points. If the point P is on the circle, then polar chord of contact and tangent at P will coincide. So in this case, the polar touches the circle. Next concept, if the point P is inside a circle, inside a circle, that means what? Not at center. Then the polar is outside the circle. The polar of center lies at infinity, which does not exist. So in this session we have seen many concepts. Still we have few more results to be discussed regarding circle. Then only we have to start solving problems. Thank you.